Math wizards, welcome back to another day of math. Today we're going to continue to work with angles and measurement. We will use a tool to help us do it, known as a protractor. This is a protractor. A protractor is a tool marked off in intervals from 0 degrees, you can see that there's a 0 on this side as well as this side, to 180 degrees, and is used to measure the size of an angle. A protractor has two scales, each of which start at 0. One scale is read clockwise and the other is read counterclockwise. When measuring, we need to check the reasonableness of an answer. We can choose the scale that makes sense for the angle positioning. We'll use this problem to help us explore and use a protractor. Emma wants to make a clay sculpture of her daughter as she appears in this photo from her dance recital. How can she measure angle DCE or the angle formed by her daughter's arms? Well, just like we talked about today, we're going to use a protractor to help us do that. So I will use my protractor to measure her angles. I'll start by placing the center of the protractor on vertex C of the angle. Next, I will align the 0 degree mark on the scale to the protractor with ray CE. Now I can find where ray CD intersects the same scale. So as I do that, I see that the angle measures 120 degrees. If I needed to, I could use a ruler or even my protractor on that straight edge to extend my ray if I needed my lines to be longer. That's a good strategy to use. So the measure of angle DCE is 120 degrees. Now, as we look at our angle created by her arms, as well as the measurement of the angle, how would we classify it? Would you say it's an acute angle, a right angle, or an obtuse angle? Yeah, I would say it's not an acute angle because an acute angle is less than 90 degrees, and we know this is more than 90 degrees. And a right angle is how many degrees? That's right, 90, so that's not it either. This is an obtuse angle.